Cobra, 81,000, just about 60 miles. I was driving down the road the other day, passed a cop at 40. Right after I passed the cop, car started knocking, lost all power, wouldn't idle right. Does have stage 2 cams, but here's the knock if it'll start. No check engine light, just an ABS light. If you guys on SVT have any knowledge on what the hell this could be, please let me know.